Okay, I've got the engine running. There's a leak right there in the center coming from this, and that goes down to that area. Whatever that big cylinder is right here, going down here.